Hello, everyone. I am Alessandra, and I'm so thrilled to welcome you to our very first Italian lesson. You've probably heard people say that Italian is more than just a language. It's like a melody, a piece of vocal music. And today, you are going to take your first step into that music. Many people feel intimidated when starting a new language, but I have a secret for you. Italian is one of the most honest languages in the world. Why? Because it is phonetic. This means that once you learn the sounds of our alphabet, you can read almost any word correctly, even if you don't know what it means yet. No hidden sounds, no guessing games like in English. In this series, I will guide you from zero to speaking with confidence. We are building a foundation that will stay with you forever. Today, we start with the soul of our language, l'alfabeto italiano. Grab a coffee, or as we say in Italy, un caffè. Take a deep breath, and let's start this beautiful journey together. Are you ready? It's time to dive in. In English, vowels can be tricky. They change their sound all the time. But in Italy, we love simplicity. Our 5 vowels are always pure, open, and consistent. Think of them as the 5 musical notes of our soul. Let's start with the first one. A. To say it correctly, open your mouth wide, as if you're at the dentist. A. A. Like in the most beautiful word, amore. Try it again. Amore. It means love, and it starts with a clear, open sound. Next is e. This is like the e in bed. E. E. Listen to this word. Bene. Notice that both e sounds are exactly the same. Repeat after me. Bene. It means well or good. Now the letter I. In English, you might say I, but in Italian, it's always a sharp I sound, like in sheep. I. I. Like in our country's name, Italia. Go ahead, say it with me. Italia. Perfect. Then we have O. This is a round, deep sound, similar to the O in the word pot or story. O. O. Let's try it with the Italian word for now. Ora. Keep your lips round and steady. Ora. Excellent. And finally, U. This is not you, it's a tight oo sound, like in boom. U. U. Like the number 1. Uno. One more time. Uno. Let's do a quick recap. Repeat after me fast. A. E. I. O. U. Again. A. E. I. O. U. Congratulations! You've just mastered the heart of Italian pronunciation. If you can say these 5 sounds, you can already pronounce 80% of any Italian word. Now, let's quickly cover the other consonants. Most of them are simple, but they have their own Italian names. Listen to the melody. B, D, F, L, M, N, and T. Pay attention to T. It's sharp and clear. T. Not T with a breath of air, but a clean T, like in the word torta. Then we have Q. It is always followed by the letter U, like in the word qui, here, or questo, this. Listen to the sound. Q. Qui. And we cannot forget the letter Z. This is a real spicy letter. In English, it's soft, but in Italian, it can sound like ts, 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 as in pizza, or z, z, as in zero. Let's try again. Pizza, pizza, and zero, zero. It adds so much character to our words. Wait, what about J, K, W, X, and Y? In Italy, we call them I lunga, K, W, X, and Y. We only use them for borrowed words, like taxi or jeans. Now, let's move to the part that confuses most beginners. But don't worry, I will make it simple for you. We are going to look at two letters that change their personality depending on who their neighbor is. These are the letters C and G. Let's start with the letter C. When C is followed by the vowels A, O, or U, it is hard. It sounds exactly like the K in kite. Listen. Ka, ko, ku. For example, casa. Repeat. Casa. Or caffè. One more. Corso. But if chi meets the vowels e or e, it becomes soft. It sounds like ch in cheese. Listen. C'è, ci. The most famous example? Ciao. See? It's not cow, it's ciao. Another one. Cena. Imagine having a delicious Italian dinner. Cena. Now, here is a very important secret that even some advanced students forget. Sometimes you will see the letter E standing between the letter chi and another vowel. In these cases, the letter E is actually silent. It's not there to be pronounced. Its only job is to tell you that the chi must stay soft, like the th sound. For example, look at the word for ciao. We don't say ciao. We just say ciao. The E is just a bridge to keep the th sound. Let's practice some more. Ciò, like in cioccolato. See? Not cio, but cioccolato. Ciù, like in ciuffo. Cia, like in arancia. Just remember, if you see chi-e followed by another vowel, let the E be silent and just enjoy the melody of the word. The letter G works exactly the same way. Before A, O, U, it's hard, like goat. Ga, go, gu, like gatto. Say it with me. Gatto. Or gabbiano. But before E or E, it turns into a soft J sound, like joy. J, G, like in my favorite dessert, gelato. Remember, it's a soft J, gelato. Or giorno, as in buongiorno. Just remember this simple rule. A, O, U are hard neighbors, and E, I are soft neighbors. If you remember this, you've unlocked the secret to reading Italian menus like a pro. And just like with the letter C, the same secret applies to the letter G. When you see an E between the letter G and another vowel, that E becomes a silent helper. Its only mission is to make sure the G sounds soft, like a J. A perfect example is a word you will use every single day. Buongiorno. Notice that we don't say giorno. We say giorno. The E is silent, but it transforms the sound into that beautiful soft Italian J. Let's try a few more together. Già, like in giardino. Gio, like in gioco. Giù, like in giusto. Master this silent E trick and you will sound like you've lived in Italy for years. It's all about the flow, the flusso of the language. We are almost at the finish line of our first lesson. But we cannot leave without talking about the most modest letter in the Italian alphabet, the letter H. In Italian, we call it l'H muta, the silent H. Unlike in English, where you breathe out for house or hello, in Italian, the H never makes a sound. It is completely invisible to your ears. If you see the word for hotel, just ignore the first letter and say hotel. You might wonder, Alessandra, why do we even have it then? Well, the H is a silent protector. Its main job is to help the letters C and G stay hard even when they are next to E or I. We will dive deep into that magic trick in a future lesson. But for now, just remember, when you see an H, let it sleep. You did it! You've just completed your very first step towards speaking Italian. Today we covered the vowels, the tricky consonants, and the silent H. I am so proud of your progress. Please practice these sounds today. Speak them out loud while you're cooking, or even while you're in the shower. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to our channel and join our community. In Lesson 2, I will teach you how to introduce yourself and make your first Italian friends. I am Alessandra, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Grazie mille e a presto. Ciao!